In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete bank rules in Xero. If you've ever set up a rule that no longer applies, is duplicating another rule, or is causing the wrong coding on your bank reconciliation, cleaning it up is a good idea. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Xero and how to safely remove any rules you no longer need. First, open your browser and go to xero.com. Sign into your Xero account as you normally would. You'll need to be in an organization where you have the right permissions to manage bank rules. So if you have access to multiple organizations, make sure you've selected the correct one from the organization menu at the top left once you're logged in. Once you're in the right organization, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. Here you'll see a menu labeled Accounting. Hover over or click on Accounting to open the drop-down menu. This is where Xero groups a lot of tools related to your accounts, reporting, and bank activity. From that drop-down, find and click on Bank Rules. This will take you to the area where all of your existing bank rules are listed. Bank rules are those shortcuts that help Xero automatically suggest how to code your bank statement lines based on descriptions, amounts, or other conditions. Over time, this list can get a bit crowded, especially if you've experimented with rules or your processes have changed, which is why knowing how to delete them is useful. On the bank rules page, you'll see a list of rules that are currently set up. Take a moment to scan through them and identify the rule or rules you want to remove. It's worth double checking the details so you don't delete something that's still in use. Look at the rule name and, if needed, click into the rule briefly to confirm what it does, then go back to the main list. When you're sure which bank rule you want to delete, locate it in the list and look for the checkbox next to that rule. Click the checkbox to select it. If you're planning to remove more than one rule, you can usually check multiple boxes at once, but be careful here. Make sure you only select the rules you really want to get rid of, because once they're deleted, you'll need to recreate them from scratch if you change your mind. After you've selected the appropriate bank rule or rules, look for the Delete option on the page. This is often positioned above the list, near other actions like editing or creating rules. Click Delete. Xero may prompt you to confirm that you want to delete the selected rules. Read the confirmation message carefully, then click to confirm if everything looks correct. Once you've confirmed, those selected bank rules will be removed from your list. They won't be available for future bank statement lines, and Xero will no longer use them to suggest coding. If you notice later that a rule you relied on is missing, you can always come back to the bank rules area and create a new rule that matches your current needs. That's all there is to it. You've now seen how to navigate to the bank rules section in Xero, select the rules you no longer need, and delete them cleanly.